Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Comenity Bank credit card detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your Comenity Bank credit card, start by visiting the official Comenity Bank website. Look for the Account Logins section on the home page. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, select the option to create one. Enter your personal information as prompted to set up your account. Once you have an account, return to the login page. Input your username and password in the designated fields. Click the Sign In button to access your account dashboard. Navigate to the Account Services or Settings section once logged in. Look for the option labeled Verify Card or Card Verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the verification process. You will need to provide some personal information for verification, such as your card number and social security number. Ensure all information entered is accurate to avoid delays. After inputting your information, click the Submit button. Wait for the confirmation that your card verification is successful. Once verified, you'll receive a notification on the screen and possibly via email. If you encounter any issues, look for the Help or Contact Us section for further assistance. Follow any additional instructions provided by customer service if needed. Your Comenity Bank credit card is now verified and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.